When I get to the chorus, do it one time and say, when I say C, y'all say nature, C.
Nature.
C.
Nature.
When I say apple, y'all say fest. Apple,
Fest.
apple, fest. Okay, we gonna get there. Oh, alright. End of the song.
We got hope.
Alright. Woo! Yeah. See nature in the back with another one. All these rappers whack and they sounding like bubble gum. Rub up on a girl that got that rubber pump all night. Then I hit it with a double pump. Back home, they call me the beat killer. Not gas on E, need to fill up. They know to mess with speed. He's a gorilla on the track. I attack. He's the realest on the map. That's a fact. 24/7, I'm in the back. These are not the greatest tree. I get you high contact. No, I don't want that. You acting all fly like a spider on crack. Moving right along, I transform when the light up on. Write a song on, hands on when the mic is on. Like a storm, I come rain on your head and never let it go. I'm the same with the bread. Don't want to collab and hate me instead. If you're sleeping on me now, I'ma make you the bed. Without a pick, you want that combat. No scrimmage, going through contact. I'm that rapper that you know with the bomb rat. Time bag, ain't safe around me, I'm a contract killer on the mic like a hitman. Can't stand you like a bike without a kickstand. You washed up, I can put him in a dishpan. Other ones are young, probably never seen a diss man. And that's how it is, man. That's it. When I say C, y'all say nature. You lost it, C, nature, C, nature, C, nature. When I say apple, y'all say fest. Apple, fest, apple, fest. When I say C, y'all say nature. Nature, nature. So, and that's how it is, man. And that's how it is, man. And that's how it is, man. When I'm on the microphone, you know I make the crib jam. And that's how it is, man. And that's how it is, man. And that's how it is, man. When I'm on the microphone, you know I make the crib jam. Hop in the flow like I never freaking lost. See my high so good, but I'm never getting off it. I'm so stuck, I don't know what to say. But still kill it anyway. I'm better at rapping than I am in talking. And when I'm in action, I'm fly as a hawking. And then I get mad, I'm a giant with fostering lions and happening. I stick a fork in them. Hey, when you come around my way, you gonna learn something, got a lot of things to say. A lot of lovely problems at the top of it, I'm straight. And you think he might have shot, who but I signed it anyway. Climbing to the top and you can find me at the bottom of the bottle. When there's too much, I don't want to travel, but I got a little daughter, so I got a little gravel in my sister, so I don't gravel. I just got him on my bottle with the A. He's all, but they don't want to play. TV and social media, you're rapping every day. Maybe not every day, but they have a way to see it. Cause I don't wanna be seeing when I'm like a bit. Hey, I'm on my way. Tell all these people that what they say. You in my vicinity, no way you'll get away. 200 days with the keys as they hate a rate. And if you didn't want a problem, you should've just stayed away. Hey. Thank you. Now calling McNasty and Bravado to the stage. Or just stand up at least, that'd be cool.